Hi guys, welcome back to another video with Sophie, and in today's video we are going to show you the new launch of 2026, and it's the second tallest building in Cambodia. So let's go and check it out, GATO Tower together. So GATO Tower is going to be built with the 67th floor, starting from 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and a penthouse. These come as a mix between a hotel standard and also a residential. The layout is very different. It have a huge balcony, and every unit is have actually an actual view. This is going to be built by a Japanese and joined with Cambodian adventure. So let's have a look into the floor plans and layout. So as you can see, start from here is a net area of 45 to 47 one bedroom. We've got a 2 bedroom, 79, and then we've got a 3 bedroom, more than 100 square net square meter. And then this executive suite, and also the final one is the penthouse. So the location of GATO Tower, as you can see, it's right along Norodom Boulevard, which is very one of the strongest CBD or the commercial road in this location. And when you go down straight a few blocks, that will reach Independent Monument, the Royal Palace, and then also go down straight to Aeon 1, and you have over there is Naga World, the biggest casino, and also very close, very easy access. Majority of BKK1, a lot of buildings are more toward into the middle of BKK1, but as you can see, GATO is by the end, or you can say an early access into BKK1. So the view facing to the south or facing to the north would be less risk of being blocked by other buildings because it's already away from all the crowd. So GATO is one of the strong point of selling point is also the location right early into BKK1. So if you want an actual opinion on GATO Tower, you can contact us, or you can check out our website right here. We wrote down a full breakdown about GATO. And if you want an actual and honest opinion, what will be the rental return, is a good investment, what is full retirement or holiday home, contact us. I will be happy to show you the full breakdown and everything.